point is that we recognize the problem, we want to resolve the problem. And Union Home Minister is very keen to resolve the problem. So if Tripura Motha shows little bit of patience and repose their trust and confidence on our Honorable Home Minister, I think this problem will be resolved. Personally, I have highest respect for the Maharajji, his dedicated service for the tribal people of Tripura. And I am sure if Maharajji also has some trust, has shown trust and confidence on our PM and HM, the issue will be resolved soon.
Lastly, as the NEDA convener, what message would you like to give to the tribal people in Tripura?
Only one thing I'll say most humbly, that Government of India is seized of the matter. Your leader, Maharaj, has already spoken to Union Home Minister on 2-3 occasions. A detailed interaction has taken place. However, in order to proceed with the discussion, give some time frame, give some time to Government of India so that they can proceed in a very systematic manner. Please have some patience. That will be my only request.